In this video, we're going to look at basic spreadsheet terms and how to create a formula. So where are you going to use Google Sheets? To open up a Google Sheet workbook, we come here, go down to Sheets, and we're going to create a new blank spreadsheet. Okay, so a spreadsheet file is known as a workbook. Workbook can be made up of multiple worksheets. So down here, we see of sheet 1. If we wanted a second worksheet, we get sheet 2. If we want to change the name of a worksheet, we'd click on this arrow and click rename. So we're going to call this first worksheet. Okay, we have columns go up and down, rows go across. So we're going to type in our first cell, which is cell A1. Oops, A1 is right there. So a cell address is a combination of the column it's in and the row. So we're going to put a title in here. So we're going to call this grade. And then we're going to have week 1, week 2, week 3. So we're going to pretend that we are adding up a number of weeks of a fundraiser in school. So I'm going to just put some random numbers here. Okay. And then we're going to add them together. Now, there are a few ways to add a list of numbers together. The easiest way is this formula here. Okay, all formulas begin with equals, and we've opened parentheses, and then we just put the cell addresses. Always want to use cell addresses. So B2 plus C2 plus D2, close your parenthesis, and there you have it. Now, when we're adding a list of numbers, we can also use equal sum, open parenthesis, and then put the first cell that we want to add, a colon, that's the 2 dots, and then the last cell, and the whole list. Okay, finally, we can start it the same way, and instead of actually having to type the cells in, once we type the open parenthesis, we can just select the cells, and we see we have that. We're also going to do a grand total here, and the grand total is the total of the totals, equal sum. So we're talking about the totals. Okay. Finally, we'll look at some formatting. What we see is our numbers are aligned to the right, our words are aligned to the left. Sometimes we don't want that. So we're going to center align everything. Okay, we see what that looks like. We're also going to bold our top row. So that's how we do it. Okay, so there's some basic formatting and an addition formula.